Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Capcut and Canva and what's the difference between them for video editing. So the main difference really depends on what you need your video to be for. So for example, if you have a business or you need a presentation, a thumbnail, and so on and so forth, maybe Canva would be a better option because they have lots of templates which you can use. When you click here on design, you can see that they have a lot of video templates, as you can see, a lot of cool ones and so on and so forth. Now the Capcut is more focused on and geared towards creators on TikTok, for example, or on YouTube Shorts. So for YouTube Shorts, for TikTok videos, and overall short videos with a lot of effects, Capcut would be a better fit, I believe. And we're gonna go through all of these. So for example, on Canva, what you can do is, of course, choose a template and upload a video onto it. So for example, let's choose this template. And you can add a video onto here to the background, for example. You can drag it like so, then position it to the back, and your video may be there in the background, like so. Of course, you can edit the text and add your own. Now, you can also add a text and animate it. As you can see, it's already animated, but we can remove it now and add your own animation. As you can see, there are a lot of types of them. You can choose your own, which you like the most, and yeah, you can add it on the enter, on the exit, or on both. Adjust the speed and intensity, and some writing style. As you can see, you can edit everything like so. Now, also you can add some type of animation and also make the video longer, or not longer, but shorter. So maybe we can add some animations to this video. So for example, let's go here and write down butterfly, for example. And when we go to graphics, for example, let's choose this one, like so. And as you can see, there is a butterfly, and we can also animate it by creating a custom animation. So you're going to click on this one, and basically you drag it down however you like. You can do this. And now you can, for example, do a steady and smooth orient element on path. So you can change the orientation of the image, and you can also add some motion effects, as you can see, like so. And you click done, and when you play the video, as you can see, the animation runs. Of course, the same goes for the text. You can do the same with the text. And that's about that. Also, don't forget that Canva has a lot of applications which you can use. For example, remove the background of your video, and so on and so forth. Now, Capcut has a lot of things which Canva doesn't. And if you have a short video, you can edit it here. First of all, let's click on the video, and as you can see, you can transform it. So when you add a keyframe and you drag it down like so, and you want to scale it like so, and then scale it back somewhere here, for example. And now when you added those keyframes, your video will be zoomed in and zoomed out, as you can see. So this is really convenient, and I'm not sure you can do this on Canva. I believe you cannot, or it would take a lot of time. Now, what also is good on Capcut, you click on text, basically auto captions. Auto captions or AI generated. You click on auto captions or auto lyrics, and then they will add a text from your video. So so that's really convenient. They also have a lot of stickers, effects, which you can add to your video, like so. As you can see, you can edit it, where to put, how long it should be, and as you can see, they also have some animations here at the top, which you can add, for example, like so. And when you play the video, as you can see, it changes like you put that animation on. And there's also some filters and some adjustments, some custom adjustments, for example, or presets, which you can use, and transitions if you have a few videos and you want to do a transition. So basically, that's the main difference. Canva is to animate objects and the whole page, add some text, use some templates because they have a lot of templates. Now the Capcut has a really zoom in and zoom out easily, audio sounds from TikTok and other places, effects, filters, and animation. So remove background option is on both, so you can choose where to have that option on Capcut or on Canva. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.